Alright, guys, we are gonna get to just some decoding type stuff. Alright, whoa, my hair, there we go, we're good now. Alright, but we're just gonna do some decoding stuff. So this is where we left off. Also, we are going to do some scriptures though. But no videos or anything like that this time, just decoding and Bible scripture. So we went over the fact that this is a sheep in the very last episode. This is also the nose of the sheep. Alright. And it's always the same. This right here is the where was this again? Silva Cathedral, Seville Cathedral. There we go. This is Seville Cathedral in Germany, I think. Yeah. Anyways, if you turn, oh, I've turned it upside down. Okay. And here is the bug's, and here is the bug's eye. Here is the bug's eye. Here is the mandible. Here's the other mandible. Alright? And then here's the things that it eats you with right here. But you're looking at a bug face again. Now here is what I got to say so far about all of what I've been showing you guys. If it was not true, it would not link up worldwide, all over the place, the exact same agenda, the exact same imagery, there's the exact same story of what they're trying to, or a message rather, that they're trying to get across to us. So anyways, let's go over some other stuff. We went over in past videos that we are our falling angels. We're born upside down. Now I found a new, where is the head of, okay, I thought I saved it. I guess I didn't. Oh yeah, here we go. You see the dragon right there, just laying down inside of the head of that creature? It looks just like this dragon that's down here. I need to put it up there, actually. Let's go ahead and do that. Actually, let's put that down here. However, like I said, it's the same agenda as the hieroglyph. Character, creature inside. Look, there. The other. This. This is a human embryo. It's cradled up, facing the same direction and everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and drag that though down here. Watch. Show you guys that it is the exact same thing. No. There it is right there. No. Always right there. There we go. Alright. Same thing. Same thing. Same exact thing. Creature is laying inside of his head. All right. And then remember, Isaiah 29:16 said that he who framed it knew not. Now let's look at this. All right, so this is the exact same agenda. This is in Seville Cathedral as well. Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can have more of a definite see everything. All right, those of you that have the eyes to see probably already see all of it, or at least some of it. Now here's what it is. Now I have failed to yet draw in the rest of this wall being the mandible, or being these are the mandibles right here of the bug. Of the antennas though of the bug is right here on the sides of the head. Here are the eyes. Here are the eyes. There's the top of the head, just like in the Vatican, guys. And then inside of the mouth of the lotus face is the sheep. Same, remember I told you with those lights? And then it's always got something right here on equal of both sides. Even the gold. Look at the gold right here. The gold on both sides makes the actual sheep's ear. Here's the top of the sheep's ear. Like, it goes down right there where I've outlined, and then hits the top of the sheep's ear and the bottom of the sheep's ear. Same exact thing on the other side. The angel and the gold on the top. Also right here is the crown of gold upon its head of the sheep. The sheep is actually, again, remember, like we said, it's not a bad thing. We are the sheep in the field of the shepherd. Same thing in right here in the completely different side of the world, Germany. Vladimir Putin's deal. This is exactly what I was saying, actually, with the lights. If these would have been angels, it would have been the same thing we just looked at. See what I mean? Now, there's the angels. Now, same spot where those angels are at is right. Oh, great. Pressed the wrong button. And we've found it once again. So yeah, here we go. This right here is this is the sheep's eye. This is the sheep's eye. This is the bottom of the sheep's ear. This is gold, the top of the sheep's ear, the sheep's face in gold, top of his head. The other top of the sheep's other ear is in gold. It goes down to the other right here. The bug of the lotus is right here, with the doors opening. Even with this measurement of the door being closed is still there. That wall is still there. Alright? Again, exact same agenda on clothes, on sculptures mostly. Here's another room that I've already went ahead and outlined. Let's see if we can go ahead and try to find the other version of that. Actually, you know what? I did it in a transparent, so you guys will still be able to see what I'm talking about. The main frame of what I have outlined is there. There's a top of a part right there. These are pillars. Okay, that's what you're looking at. And then the color, the access space. Gold right here. Gold right here. More of a khaki colored white main frame. Right here is the bottom jaw. This door is its mouth being opened. As always, the mocking you. This bird of the double-headed phoenix, also representation of the twin system, double-headed phoenix. The mix between the two. Same thing I'm always telling you guys. So that is also there specifically for its nose. This is here specifically for the middle face area of the sheep. And then obviously the windows are the eyes of the sheep. And then again, as always, lamp shade. See, there's lampshades all over, and they put these there on purpose because at that angle, it's a sheep face. All right. So you guys saw that the frame, same thing in a different room, in the same building. Here are also the double-headed phoenixes. There are 4 of them, 4 corners of the earth. So that's biblical. That's kind of a mock. The exact same, here it is actually without it being put in in outlined. Only these right here are the sheep's ears. Instead, these pink access middle spots. See how they put 1, 2, 1, 2? They could have put 2 more or colored it white, but in this case, they needed to do the rest of the sheep face. So even this being pink and blank is also for a reason. Anyways, so yeah, it's the same thing. The middle area of the sheep face, the nose, the eye, the ear, the chandelier. There's a chandelier right there. There's another chandelier coming down from here. Actually, yeah, right about here and here. So that makes the sheep's ear. The other chandelier right here makes the sheep's ear. There you go, guys. Sheeps and lotus. And if you want to, I could have outlined it. There's the lotus's eye. There's the lotus's eye. And there's his mandibles. And he's again eating. Here's his mandibles right here. And then there he's eating the sheep again. Same thing right there. All of that is the lotus right here eating the sheep. Also, this, remember the Statue of Liberty? Alright, let's try to find one of a transmutation circle. Because what you just looked at is a transmutation circle. Just as we've always pointed out several different other things. This right here is exactly what you were just now looking at on the roof, ceiling rather, of Vladimir Putin's presidential palace. Alright, so also on the floor of the Vatican in Rome, that is an 8-pointed star. And so is this right here, which is the sigil of Satan. Right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Occult symbolism. Right there. The floor of the Vatican, because that's not the church of God. That is the synagogue of Satan. By the way, there are 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll count next episode. But there are 32 of these. And 32 represents the symbology of God. And those are 8-pointed stars. So who is their God? Exactly. Also, it makes a crescent moon. And it's the exact same thing. And we'll end it at this as this. Right here. Crescent moon, access space. Remember the shifting shadows. See you next episode. Love you guys. Be blessed.